if you get nyama skin, I'm going to be pinpointing all these skin problems. Okay, if you have any of them, strawberry skin, broken skin, like zebra skin, tender, like that, is it, you look like tender just strike you down. All your body is cracked, you need Medix to repair your skin. On my channel, I give all the best secrets, okay? The secrets to glowing skin. As promised in my last video, I said I was going to be reviewing the difference between Olay body lotion and Medix 55 body lotion. What is the difference between these two lotions? Like, if you pass on TikTok, every skincare vendor is talking about Olay vitamin C body lotion, Medix 55 body lotion. Everything vitamin C is what they are talking about, and these two especially. So I was like, okay, let me try these two and come and testify, because there are people who want to buy the cream but they are scared. As I always do, I just don't come here and rant. I buy them, I try them, and then I give my honest review. Medix 5.5 vitamin C plus turmeric body lotion. Olay vitamin C brightening body lotion. I have used two of this and I've just started using this. I've used this for some time now, and I must confess I really love it. So I purchased more. Olay vitamin C body lotion comes in 502 ml, whereby the Medix 55 also come in 444 ml. In terms of sizes, this one is bigger than this. In terms of sizes, this Olay vitamin C is bigger or larger than the Medix 55 body lotion. Their similarities, they both contain vitamin C. Okay, this one contains vitamin C, that's the vitamin C, and this one also contains vitamin C and turmeric as the key ingredients. They both promise to brighten the skin. This one says brightening body lotion, and Medix also say brighten and firm. Olay is going to brighten your skin. Medix is going to brighten and firm the skin. Now, for instance, your skin barrier is damaged, like you have damaged your skin, you have bought this organic lotions, you used all these trending TikTok creams, and it has damaged your skin. You have green veins, you have stretch marks, you have body acne, you have hyperpigmentation. This is where these two lotions come in. This is where two of this come in. You can either choose to use this, and you can either choose to use this. So let me explain why you need to choose either this or that. Now, the smell, this smells like citrus. Vitamin C, of course, it smells like citrus. I really love the smell. And this one also smells like vitamin C with a twist of like fruit. You know, this mild conditioner, like when you go to the salon and they are washing your hair, the smell of conditioner, not harsh, or this fruity conditioner. I think this one, for me, it smells kind of a sweet conditioner. Now let's talk about the textures. The smell is almost the same, but I prefer this one smell. Like this one, when you use this one, it feels like you have used some sweet fruit. Anyone who enters the room after an hour will still smell this one. So in terms of the smell, I prefer Olay to Medix. Now let's talk about the consistency. Okay, that is from Olay, and that is from Medix. Olay has a very light consistency. Medix is a little bit thicker. Medix is a little bit thicker. Here is the Medix, it's a little bit thicker. Olay has some runny, that is Olay, you see, like some Look at Olay. It's like, um, that's Olay and that's Medix. You see, Medix has some thick consistency. You can compare the two. That is Olay and that is Medix. Olay doesn't leave any greasy residue. Medix also doesn't leave any greasy residue. When I talk about greasy residue, this is like when you use an oil. Okay, you see the oil has some residue, like some greasy residue, whereby this is just sinks in to your skin. Both of them sinks into your skin, but repair your skin and moisturize your skin. So if you are somebody who has dry skin, like very 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 dry skin, this is whereby a body oil should come in. You need to top it up with a body oil. Please don't go and mix the cream and body oil. Just take a tiny bit of the cream, then a tiny bit of the oil and apply it to your whole body. Don't go and use it on your face. It's not a face cream. I go to social media and I read, it broke me out. It broke. This is not a face cream. Medix 55 body lotion is not a face cream. Olay vitamin C is not a face cream. So if you go and apply it on your face and it breaks you out, please don't come and disturb us. Okay? It's a body lotion. They are both body lotion. Now let's talk about what both of them promise to do. This Medix promises to reduce the look of dark spots and blotchy skin. So if you got some rashes on your skin, or you accidentally scratch your skin and you get dark spots, however it came, like you have dark spots, Medix is saying that they can help you to fade your dark spots. Yeah, Medix is going to fade your dark spots because of the vitamin C. You know, vitamin C brightens the skin. And the turmeric inside this one also promises radiance with brightening. It wants to give you some kind of glow, some radiance to your skin to make your skin soft. Okay? And then Olay also says it contains vitamin B3. And it says it hydrates your skin and is going to brighten you in 21 days. So 21 days is like 3 weeks, let's say a month. Within a month, you're going to see some changes in your skin. Seriously, I use this cream for just a week. When I use it for just a week, for me, when I know a cream will be good for me when after some few weeks, I'm able to tell if a cream will work for me or not. For me, if I use a cream and within some few weeks, I see that my fingers are becoming smoother and a little bit lighter without dark knuckles, then I know the cream is for me, like it's going to work for me. So after I use this one, I swear I'm not exaggerating, after I use Olay for a week, I think a week, or yeah, a week and a half, I started seeing results in my fingers. Like my fingers were getting clearer. See, my fingers were getting clearer and brighter, and I was like, wow. And the smell, it smells heavenly, even though it doesn't moisturize you, like it doesn't leave any grease. If you are somebody who have very dry skin, that's why I was saying you should add some body oil. Like, you're going to love your skin. Okay, it will brighten you. Now, like, it's brightening me. Don't go and use it on your face. It will brighten you. It will penetrate into it. It says that here, penetrates into the skin surface. Like, it's going to penetrate because it absorbs immediately you apply it. It's not so thick, it just dries off completely. Seriously, I really really love this cream. If you are thinking twice about it, you can get it. On the bottle it even says no greasy residue. It absorbs quickly with a lightweight feel. Like, you saw the comparison I made. This one was very thick. This one is very light. Like, it's just like some serum thing. Like, I love it. Directions for all skin types. So don't come and say, can dark person use it? Can I'm light, can I use it? It's for all skin types. Even though you can use it, everybody can use it except kids. If you are somebody who doesn't like bathing, you bath today, you won't bath tomorrow. If it doesn't work for you, don't come and blame us. You have to bath like every day, if not for twice a day, just every day. You should wash yourself, and then you moisturize yourself, and you're going to glow. This is some of the creams that, like, when you use and you walk into the sun, like let's say you live in Africa, you use it and you walk into the sun can hit you and it's not going to give you any sunburn, green vein, because it's not harsh. It's not harsh. It's not like this Abijanese cream, like even in winter it's going to this one will tone you smoothly. Like when you use it, I bet you your partner is going to like want to eat you up because it smells so delicious. Yeah, and it says use with Olay skincare inspired body wash to boost effect of the vitamin C complex and moisturize. So if you're lucky and you have the body wash, you can pair it together and then you win the lotto. Like people combine it. I couldn't get the body wash, and even if I could get it, I'm not sure I will buy it because like in my house we are a family of 6, and the shower gel is just like the same size, so within a week it's going to finish. And this one, I couldn't get it in Germany. I live in Germany. I had to buy from America. If you are in Europe and you want to buy it, for instance, if you live in Germany, you live in UK and you want to buy it, just change from Amazon. Okay, go to Amazon and change your country from Germany, UK, Holland. Just change your country and switch it to USA, and then they will deliver to you. Okay, I think it took about 1.5 weeks, yeah, to be delivered. I really love the Olay. Now let me go back to my Medix directions. Skincare doesn't stop at your neck. That's what it's saying. Oh, skincare doesn't stop at your neck. Massage all over your body daily. As I was saying, bath daily and then use it, focusing on the areas you want to restore. This is promising to restore our skin. If you get yama yama skin, I'm going to be pinpointing all these skin problems. Okay, if you have any of them, strawberry skin, broken skin, like zebra skin, tender, like that, is it, you look like tender just strike you down. All your body is cracked, you need Medix to repair your skin. The more you use the Medix, it's going to repair your skin and then brighten you. Don't be scared. You can buy any of them. If you want the thick one, that is the Medix. Okay, even though this one too, you need a good body oil. You can buy the Medix or you can buy the Olay. Both of them are good. None of them will give you stretch marks. None of them will give you green veins. None of them will give you hyperpigmentation. All of them promises to brighten your skin. You're going to glow. So in summer we are all going to show skin. Okay, we are not going to cover our necks. No. Start repairing your skin so that in summer you can also wear your crop tops, you can show your tummy, you can show your chest. We need to be flexing, we need money. Okay, so yeah guys, yeah, you can get any of them. You can either choose the Medix or the Olay. They have similar capabilities. They both promise to do almost the same thing, but for me I choose Olay. If you have watched me till now, thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed till now, please do so and tap on the notification bell so that anytime I come here we can meet and be family. Okay, you can also share my videos, and then yeah. Okay, and to see the I forgot one thing. If you want to see that both of the cream are original, okay, none of them is fake, when you get it, this QR, yeah, this QR code, there's also one on the Medix. Oh, you can either scan this one or that. Both of them will take you to their website. If you bought it from a roadside vendor, please, and you get the fake one, don't come and say it's not good. They are good. They are equally good. You are going to love your skin. If you are dark in complexion, you're going to get this caramel skin. See you guys in my next video. Bye.